In the previous video, we saw that curiosity being the natural tendency for children, we can make use of it by providing them with direct experience. When they come into contact with things they don't see in their protected environment, their curiosity is bound to be triggered. The next thing that happens to anyone whose curiosity is awakened is that they ask questions, sometimes basic and sometimes global. So, how do we get them to ask questions? Our sages say that there are 7 steps to knowledge. The first step is to kindle curiosity. The second step is to inquire and narrow down on that big question that will bring about the complete knowledge. The Western system already has a platform on inquiry based learning, which is the result of research by several educationists during the 19th and 20th century. Sages from India have advocated that the desire to learn is that mindset which will lead to complete revelation. But to create that desire, one needs to start from curiosity, then the questions. How do we achieve it in the contemplative learning context? In the learning cycle, there are 3 stages. First, the receiving stage. This is where a learner receives information through direct experience or indirect sources. As the flow of information starts, the direct experience is likely to kindle curiosity and lead to questions. In a social and informal context, one starts looking for answers to questions, but in a formal school context, teachers have the added advantage of numbers. This promotes collaborative learning. Modern education sets this as a huge factor in inducing learning. The Gurukuls of ancient India also did it, with a difference. They had mixed age groups and students took to studying in groups or on their own. And very clearly, the Gurus focused on individual attainments. In today's age appropriate homogeneous classrooms, this is termed as student centric learning and differentiation. Students need to receive information of different kinds from different sources, and when they sort what they get, they are bound to notice gaps, which is when questions arise. When Rani found that in a sum where we divide 240 by 30, the zeros get cancelled, she decided to cancel the 3 in 683 divided by 23. But something there did not make sense. Her question arose. Similarly, when Dinesh discovered that we hear thunder before the lightning, he wondered how that would be possible, because when he turned on his TV, he saw light before the sound. So what travels faster? Little Kumar collected information on animals and their lifespan. He found that large animals live long and small animals don't. So does the size decide lifespan? Then little kids should die faster. He couldn't sleep until someone explained it to him. Once the questions arise, learners need to get into finding answers to their questions when they enter the next stage in the learning cycle, which is processing, and move on to the next step in knowledge, which is the trunk of focus.